I'm Alan.
I'm Prasen.
And I'm Shubhankar.
And we are gonna lift you up.
Introduction. Today we are going to talk about whether gravity can be created in space or not.
Yeah, just like zero gravity can be created on Earth.
And can we produce enough gravity to attract small objects such as a tin can or a bottle?
Hypothesis. We think that gravity can be created in space under some circumstances and conditions.
According to us, gravity in space can be created in two ways.
The first way is the rotation of a spacecraft can reduce the feeling of gravity inside the hull.
The rotation of the spacecraft drives any object towards the hull and is often referred as centrifugal force, which is a manifestation of the objects inside the ISS to travel in a straight line due to inertia.
The formula for this is
and the second method is
installing an ultra-high density mass in the spacecraft so that it would generate its own gravitational field and pull everything towards it.
Method. Artificial gravity can be created by spinning a merry-go-round-like device which would create centrifugal force.
It would require a large diameter to work without causing dizziness, too large for us to have at this time.
Also, rocket engine, which can generate constant thrust of 1g acceleration, would create the equivalent of 1g gravity on board ISS.
Expected results. We think that due to the above listed statements, we come to the decision that gravity cannot be created on large scale on board ISS.
But still, short-term and gravity in small quantities can still be produced.
Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, vote for 0G.